All right, so NIO stock is at $43.29 with a market cap of 68.09 billion. So sure enough, we are down, and it happens after I buy about $1,400 in NIO stock. So in my most recent investment, I am down a little bit, but I have faith that it will recover. Please comment down below. I would like to know your opinion on why we are dropping and if we're going to keep dropping, maybe into the $30 range. I would love to hear your opinion. So I will go over this article, this Yahoo article that says NIO stock weakness should serve as a buying opportunity, says analyst. Now that's coming from the analyst, not me. So it goes on and basically says, yeah, NIO had mixed earnings reports in Q4. It didn't quite meet estimates, and they're getting hit pretty hard because of that. But for the first quarter of 2021, NIO anticipates delivering between 20,000 to 20,500 vehicles, amounting to more than a 400% year-to-year uptick and sequential 15 to 18% gain, boosted by better than expected sales in February. The company delivered 5,578 units last month, bringing the January to February total to 12,803. So those are solid numbers. I love that. I think even though they're down a little bit compared to last year, those are still solid numbers. NIO is a growing company. I classify NIO as a child still. They have a lot more, they need to put in more time, but overall the momentum is gaining, and they're going to have pullbacks like this. But overall, those are some solid numbers, despite what analysts say. And the company has said that it has the capacity to produce 10,000 vehicles a month, but due to the global shortage of chip and battery supply constraints, it is currently limited to 7,500. However, by July, the company believes that the headwinds should subside, which will enable the company to meet its targets. So that's awesome. I think we're no longer, well, we kind of are, but before we kept hitting bottlenecks because we can only produce so many vehicles. 10,000 is a solid amount. I think we still have a lot more to go by maybe creating our own factory. Who knows? I know a lot of people comment and say that that's the worst decision ever, but we're going to have to rely on another company, and we're always going to hit these, limits of what we can get. So overall, I believe that we were down and we didn't hit estimates because of the chip shortage and Chinese New Year. But overall, the chip shortage. Nobody's really talking about it, and that's why I believe it. If you look at Ford, they had to close down factories in Europe, and it's just overall affecting the auto business. But you look at NIO and other Chinese automakers, they were all down, and I think it's because of that chip shortage. Who knows? I know NIO had a stockpile in chips, but I just don't know how long that lasted them and if they still have some. But overall, I would love to hear your opinion, so please comment down below. But stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money. Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.